Today, we're gonna plant some beets, even though it's the end of November, and we're getting pretty cold. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garden. It is November 21st, I do believe. I should really look at the dates before I make these videos. Anyway, I'm out at the hoops. I do have some stuff planted in the hoops, and I have my frost cloth over here. There's some plants in there, kind of an experiment. I don't think they're doing so good over here, but the ones in here are doing really good. I was downstairs the other day and I was going through looking at the seeds that I have carried over from last year. I'm figuring out my order for next year, and I thought, you know, everybody talks about beets are cold hardy and frost and blah blah blah. Now I couldn't plant them over in the raised beds over there. I amended them. The little hoop house, you guys can't see, it's right over that way. The soil was so silty in there. I think there was too much of that really fine leaf compost I made last year that I put in there. But I had some old, year-and-a-half old pile of wood chips rotting down. Well, I incorporated some of that in there, and it looks awesome. And after I did it, I thought, boy, I should have made a video, but I didn't. But today, I was thinking, like I said, I was going through my seeds. I have this big thing, excuse me, of beetroot. And I got this on sale, a while ago, beginning of the season. And they also have 2 little packs of beetroot. So I figured, you know, what the heck? I'm gonna pop these hoops open. I'm gonna take my homie. I'm gonna make some drills, and I'm gonna put some beetroot in, just to see if it will germinate and if it will grow over the winter. I have some months and months and months to go, and I might as well try to do something. Now I do have some cabbage plants in here and some onion and some kale. That stuff I'm leaving in, and hopefully it just keeps doing its thing over the winter. But I figured, why not? This hoop tends to stay warm enough where nothing freezes. The ground, the compost in there, it doesn't freeze like it does everywhere else, because it does get pretty cold here. The last week or so, we've been 20 degrees in the morning with wind chills down to single digits, and it's only the end of November. And we've been known to get, you know, below 0 in the wintertime. So I'm gonna probably rearrange a little bit. Hi, Lila. Hi, Lou. Well, Lila come out to go to the bathroom, but she's looking pretty sketchy about it. But I'm gonna reset up the camera and I'll be back. Okay, we've positioned the camera. I had to go see my Lila bird. She's my big white dog, and she's not feeling real good today. So she's come out to eat some grass and do her thing. Anyway, like I said, I have these big thing of seeds from Seedway, and also I have these 2 small packs. Now these small packs, one's from 2021, this is from 2022 from this year. One's Livingston and one is a Fairy Morris brand, and those are Seedway brands. But I figured, what the heck? Oh, and as you can see, got some cabbage. I almost forgot what I planted. I got some cabbage, some parsley still kicking along. We got some onions in there. I left some leaves in here to just do their thing. I did amend this before I put the cabbage in, so that's pretty new compost. So I'm gonna make some drills, make some rows. I'm gonna put some beets in. This ought to be fun. Okay, so I'm gonna have 4 rows right here. Oh, gotta give a little mic check. There we go. I'm gonna have 4 rows right here. I'm gonna do 2 rows. Probably can't see me. There we go, that's better. I'm gonna do 2 rows of the Fairy Morris and 2 rows of the Livingston here. And then, since I have so much there, I'm gonna do several rows up there. And that kale's looking pretty good. I do want to get this done. I don't want to be there too long. It's built up a lot of heat throughout the day, but I think it's going to be okay. We're supposed to be in the 50s for the rest of the week. daytime, but nighttime temperatures are still down. Lower 30s, upper 20s. Let's get these in. Okay, there it goes. Got about 6, 7 rows there. Oh, I got muddy. Whew, I am going to get a little bit of water put on there. You guys don't need to see that. I did sow them pretty heavy, but this is just an experiment. Beetroot seed. This was supposed to be $3.59. I think I got it for $2. There's a lot of beetroot seed in here. So what the heck? You're going to do it, you know, sow them heavy, see what comes up. So I'm going to spritz this with some water. Great word. And hey, fingers crossed. I mean, we have till, can't really start planting out technically till May. So I have December, January, February, March, April. I had about 5 months if they do germinate, pop up. I'm not going to thin them out. I'm going to let them just grow as they want. And maybe I'll get a handful of beets, 20 beets. Anything would be really cool. But hey, shoot me a comment down below if you do anything like this. If you're experimenting, trying to plant, trying to grow through the winter. Said it before, I'm in zone 6B outside of Pittsburgh, western Pennsylvania. And I do know I follow some people. Watch Epic Gardening. He has some other people on now, part of the team. And they're up in BC, up in Canada, and she grows all year, but she has a greenhouse and stuff. But I'm excited. I like to do this stuff. Gives me a reason to get out of the house in the wintertime, come out and check my plants. Well, you know. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Bye for now.